Now, if you take a look around lately, you might think the pandemic was coming to an end, even though the health department says it is not. 10 Tampa Bay's Eric Glasser is taking a closer look at how people, corporations, even local governments seem to be loosening COVID-19 restrictions, just as we begin to make some real statistical progress.
On the 1 to 10 level, I think it's a 10.
Johnny Hunter says this was the first time in 3 months he and his 2 daughters were finally able to visit the playground near their home in Hillsborough County. He was excited for them.
But I'm going to also be cautious. If it's a lot of kids over in the area at the time, I'm not going to take them.
Despite voicing COVID concerns, Tampa has quietly moved restaurants into Phase 3, loosening restrictions. St. Pete is talking about how to safely host small events downtown. Hillsborough County reopened its public parks, even though just days ago they questioned what the still unknown impact of reopening schools would be.
I don't think you'll know much until that October 1st around there.
Even as fewer people are seeking COVID tests, an increasing number of offices are asking people to come back now. Publix literally changed direction, removing its one-way aisle arrows this week, as Florida's COVID positivity rate is down to just over 5.5% now. 60% fewer hospital visits, ICU demand down 52%.
People are just tired, and they want to get back to some kind of normalcy.
Dr. Jay Wolfson with USF Public Health says he's seen the fatigue set in, but it's important not to become complacent.
People need a break. They're going stir crazy, and it's not healthy. It's not healthy for kids. It's not healthy for the family. It's not healthy for all of us. But as we open up, let's do it slowly, carefully, by the numbers, which means we need to have good numbers.
Public health experts say as we continue to gradually reopen, contact tracing will become that much more important, a way of keeping that positivity rate down so that we don't overwhelm the healthcare system and are able to keep the economy moving forward.
Dr. Wolfson says he's also concerned about what could happen during the upcoming Labor Day weekend. Public health workers have been told to expect more than 1 million people to visit Florida. The majority, he says, will be traveling right here to the Tampa Bay area.